All right, welcome back to the lab. Fucking hell. All right, today I'm going to be putting the ass back in SAS, as Delaney likes to say. So the plan, I'm going to be upgrading to datastar V1 that they just released for deploycrate, and then I have some UI improvements to make, and if I have time I would also like to implement a proxy server so that whenever someone creates an application, when we have like applications here, you can say testing 1, 2, 3, immediate. Doesn't really matter for this example. So I generate this dummy domain URL for them that I would like to proxy through deploycrate so that people can deploy faster. Meow. How are you doing, Rasmus? Without necessarily connecting a domain. I also need to fix this dialog right here, because if I just add a bunch of secrets, we get the flash, it doesn't close, and we have to refresh the page to see the secrets. So that is basically what I want to do. Does it also happen on this one? Yes. So that is sort of the plan, and this one is almost done. What do I actually need? Clean up old payload fields. So we have something like sets active instance. Previous active instance no longer used. I have to go to low, put it on me. There we go. So let's actually get this one in here. Where was it? In progress, and then this one becomes into review. Right. So I also need, because now I have I can't delete this one, I also need to deal with that. Fine, but let's start with getting datastar updated. Where is it? Need to grab this one. And in JS, grab this. And I guess that we also the source map. Right. Doesn't matter. V1, nice. Let me asset.js. So move datastar V1, and there we go. That should basically be it. Let me just see here. Yes. Good. What I Also, am I just stupid, or does it not ship with the datastar map? Can I grab it from the website? No. What is it I want to grab? It's Pro demo. I think what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna take out datastar. I'm just gonna remove. Yeah. Good. Nice. And I also need to change some secrets. 2 seconds. So I'm not running against production, but I'm running against. There we go. And we are back. Right. From datastar to B1. Right. Should be not in draft. Yeah, looks good. Let's merge it, and then the action should trigger a deploy to staging. And we are already done. What version am I on? Oh no, I'm not already done. No. So we need to build first, that's right. Come on, go releaser. Right. Now, this is also an element I need to rework with datastar, so we actually pull. Okay, that was maybe a little bit too aggressive. Let's do some chill shit. So yeah, so I also need this one to be pulled by datastar and probably rework the UI a little bit because this is not really pretty. It's still in progress. We're waiting for deploy. Okay, we are on the right commit hash. Right, but we are not getting Okay, so I have some timing issues I need to fix. What operator am I on? I'm on this one. Not this one. So I'm on the blue version. Why am I not seeing the... And this is from... Okay, there we go. It's working. Nice, and we are on the right version. Let me just check the network tab. And we get V1. Nice. Finally, let me create a new release. This one is behind with 2 commits, so we go to 8.2. Generate release notes, publish release. And close this one. Point 1. I'm also toying with a new release flow here where I kind of have, so deploycrate is running deploycrate, so I have a separate server for staging and a separate server for production, but I'm also enforcing that all environments have staging and production, and then as many other environments as they want. I'm kind of trying to have a candidate environment that's get deployed to just before production, so that every merge to master goes into staging, and then when we create a new release, we release to this candidate environment first and then to production. And now we should be done. We are done. Nice. So I also need to do a little bit of work with the candidate environment. It needs its own database, its own data. Maybe once I get to creating database servers, it would actually be able to pull a subset of the data, chuck it into the database every day, and then make it a little bit more realistic. All right. We also have application logs now. This is running in a blue-green deployment, so we have the blue service running here. It's looking good. All right. So that's that, right? Next up, I want to fix this secrets adding here. So fix secrets dialog, I think is probably a fine name. Let's just do google.com, it doesn't really matter. Right. It's in the application wizard and bulk ads. There we go. That right now uses signals, and what I want to do instead is to utilize my dialog container instead. So which Which one is it? I have it somewhere here. Environment. Add credential dialog. It's not this one. Docker source. No. Okay. Bulk ads. I'm guessing it's this one. Bulk add secrets. Secrets dialog. And do we have another dialog in here? Yes, I do. No, I do not. So that is in environments, I guess. Dialog, yeah. Don't need all of this, right? No, that was too much. This and this I don't need. All right, and it doesn't need to be a form, it can just be a div. Chuck this one down here on the button. Data on click. Just grab this right here and do a little compute. That effect is what I want to do. And the indicator is gonna be submitting bulk secrets, right? And submitting bulk secrets. And then in the bulk ads, I don't want to do this. I want to do media, data action, and HTTP. If it's gets, I don't want to do routes. What controller is this? That's a setup staging. And which route is this? That one. Bulk ads, routes, URL, and it wants a slug that I guess we have on props. annoying. Where am I? Yeah, so we do have the application, so it's simply props.application.slug. And then I also want to have our routing param, bulk add dialog, which is set to open. Right, and then in here we're gonna say bulk add dialog. And this bulk add dialog. I should write environment ID. That makes sense. And where do I set environment ID? So this one definitely needs environment ID, which is an int32. Environments ID equals to environments. Right. So if down here, if bulk open, we say media no, I'm gonna say views bulk adds dialog and environment. I need it even further down. I could optimize this, but I need to optimize it. Yeah. So I do have I even have the environment right. So whenever I do the bulk adds, might as well just do another routing query param potential ID and then do routing JS expression. Nope, I can simply just pass it right. Props staging. Why don't I have that? Right up here. I do have the environment ID, right? So where is bulk at? So I do need the JS expression to grab environment ID. Yes. And it's not spelled like this. No, it's correct. Good. So in controllers again, up here. And credential ID, credential ID, and credential ID does not equal empty string. Then we, what is it? It is an 832, right? And what render? The request, there we go. Pass the 832 ID. Right, so now get nothing. Right, because we need to target the right hypermedia with what's going on with my hypermedia? Come on, with mode inner and hypermedia with selection ID, which is views dialog container ID. All right, let us reload. No. Okay. We're not even. We're not even hitting it. Okay. This looks correct. Why is it not correct? It's not it. Ah, it's a cube. Yes. Now, there we go. Good. And remove it, yes. And also edit secret dialog. I need this one. In application wizards. Guess we might as well just make it into one. And get rid of the last one right here. Pass environments B. Hey Delaney, congratulations on the release. Super nice job. Really enjoy datastar. Right, there we go. And you can debate if I want the secrets to stay. Yeah, that's the goal. I mean, this is all datastar, but I mean, majority written by a human. Don't know if it counts. Should I make this into a might as well for I don't have to cancel, I can click out, right? So do I even want yeah. I mean, what is it? I needed to use 50% of my salary on tokens, or I'm not gonna make it. I think that's the measure that Jensen wanted us to have. That's true. I mean, right now, I'm not doing any consulting because I'm doing this project. So yeah, 50% of zero means I have zero budget. That's could probably make this not so hard typey, but for now it works. Yeah. I mean, I do need to be more LinkedIn influencer to get this project rolling properly. That's a good. And it only triggers. All right, I have an issue somewhere. What? Remove. What? Am I stupid? Likely. Ah, yes, I am stupid. Yeah. There we go, and there we go. And if I jump into network, put on 3G, this one needs to go on request in light. So it even works on 3G networks. And now, do I actually get this one to be disabled? I do, beautifully. Good, 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 good. And they get added to the right environment. Come on, they do. What is the target for this shit? It's a secret list with the staging ID. So can't I just grab? Come on. What up? Close dialog. This is using the old setup rights. Yeah. Get rid of that. Don't want this. And where I have this is also a little bit, we only use it here. Right. Edit, okay. I guess I should, why is this used in multiple? It is used in multiple places. That doesn't matter. I could split it up, but I also really need to get a demo out soon, so it's gonna be a little bit hacky. Yeah. What do I actually have on the environment? Do I have the? I have the name. I have the type. But I do not need. The type rights. No. So what are we gonna do? Where is it? Bulk. It's the secrets tab. The text is staging. Right. So I simply want to say hyper media patch. And then use environment. Secret item, right? And we should just get an internal error now, I believe. And it needs because it's no, and they have an ID, right? Yeah, fuck it. Let's do secrets. Am I reusing this? I cannot remember. And I am removing the wrong one. I don't want to remove, I want to patch. And I want to do dialog. Yes, I want to do exactly this. If there's anything new or major changes with datastar v1, I don't believe so. I mean, I think Delaney is in the chat. He's probably a better. I looked it over really fast. They did some minor changes. I think it made minor improvements, and then they also did some changes to data bind, so you can add props. But the change log is on the what's it called, in the Discord. Right. Okay, we don't necessarily do this well yet. I can still do good, but I guess we have yeah, this one right here, views, application secrets. It needs to append to this one. Hypermedia append and hypermedia. I feel like I'm gonna break something different now. So I'm using these in two places. I'm new secret 1 2 3 4 5 whatever. There we go. Probably wanted to depend so the user can see it. That's probably nicer. Yeah, come on, my guy. Another one, my guy. Save. There we go. And add, I guess it's the same, but if I go to production and do it here, production secrets, we get it there and we do not get it here. Yes. Yeah. Nice. Bulk ads. And I don't even need add a single, yeah, so it's this one. That basically needs all of this. I mean, this is so awesome. It's so nice to work with. Just makes so much sense. And it has the same name, that's also an issue. Get rid of this and get rid of this and this. And this just becomes a div. And then I guess we need a closing one. Nope. I need another one of these bad boys. Right. And bottom. Submitting secrets. And submitting secret, that's right. And I should just grab this as well. Request in flight, nice. And secret value. And secret name. Right, and then we also just need to remove the bad thing whenever we are clicking cancel. Yes, and then in controllers, if it's what did I call it? Bulk ads. Ads secret dialog. And then we do the same thing here. But instead of this one, we just have add secret dialog. Yeah. Cancel single secret with value. Yeah. And same on production. Single prod val. Let's go. There we go. Nice. Yeah. That is all good. Now is on the environment that I can I add secrets? Yes or no? No, because it doesn't have the target right. So can I add bulk? Which in returns okay, but I guess that's fine. How do I want to deal with this? Because it did get added, right? Yes, it does. It is added. It's just not updated. And also, if I edit it, value matter. I think the duplication route is probably the fastest one now. Did I break something? Let's just grab everything here. And show yeah, I will clean this up later. Secret name, secret value string, and we should have it in here. This is the bulk one, and this is the singular one. Right. So these these two can go. Not the form one because that becomes a div. Yes. Get rid of. Get rid of this. Right, and this is just gonna be environment ID. Get rid of that. Get rid of all of. And then this secret row has the edit button. That delete secret, edit secret. Yes. Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep this. Yeah, that's fine. All of this shit will be cleaned up later. So we don't need this. And we don't need these two values. We pass them directly, so we just say secret name. And secret value. The connection unstable. And what does the other one post to? I guess it just posts to the view, right? No secrets. So it does go to the secrets updates. Fair enough. So I will probably just do something hacky. I don't like this, but environment show. And then in the bulk, that's We have this one, and we have the bulkhead here. Secrets. And this is gonna be add secret true. And we don't need secret dialog open. And I guess we have application slug and environment slug. Open and add secrets. So we do need it. Can we actually get some a little bit better music? So add secret dialog open, right? And now in controllers, where did I leave it? So we should actually have if we do environment ID, I shouldn't end up in this state. Just do bad requests. I then want to do this, but I want to say, and come on, env secret dialog. Add secret dialog, and it needs an ID. So in secrets, and is that the right secret dialog? This. Nice. And then in this one right here. We want to do this as well. No, why is it? It's this one and this one, and then it's super dirty, but if payload view, no, view equals else do this shit. Secrets, no. And it needs and also adds it's just an environment show. We get the environment right. So we just do what's environment slug. And no, we encountered an error. Please try again. And then we simply do environments, no, application slug. No. I get edits. Yes, I do. No. Okay. All right. Data on click will probably help with this. Submitting secrets. actually send it up? Do I get edit? Please. Alright, but no target found. Where do we have? Environment secrets. Alright. I felt like there was something else I needed to. Okay, so it gets added, but do I update the UI? Please, please. Yes. And on throttling, do I actually have the loading states? Nope. Views. This one. And disable should come from. So might as well just add in here. Right. And data error disabled. Nice. Yes, there we go. So this is simply just a question of repeating for the bulkheads. Well, I guess this should be the same down here if I do, if I add this to, and then add this as well. Remove this, remove this. All right, and then bulk adds. Don't need this one anymore. Then bulkhead will do this, bulk add secrets. Right, and the right one being low. Don't copy it, but it is. These also work now. Yes, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Did I actually? Yes. I need to disable here and here. Anything further from that? No, it works. It's hacky, but it, yeah, fuck it. Can I still delete? I can still delete. This should be updated. Where do we have the env secrets? There we go. And how is it that the Golang time format? How do I get seconds? Time dots. This one. Okay. So are we updating? We are updating, but we are not. We are not replacing. Env. This should probably also get fixed, but app slug env slug and updated secrets. Updated secrets. So now this one free updated. Yes. Beautiful. It's working. It's not pretty, but it's working. So all of these work, and if I create a new application, and I bulk add staging, yes. Single one staging. And Also, the error message is probably not ready for users, but okay. Single one production. Do we also did already create this secret? And we don't have here, right? So come on, my guy. Some validation to be done here as well, but when you don't want to use Claude all the time, you kind of gotta work with what you have. So this is all good. Fix, get secret, I'll properly. So skeptical that this music is loyalty free. Don't know. Okay, doesn't matter. Get DMCA by Google, not Google, by YouTube. Right, so in controllers, environment, secrets, let me just clean up a little bit here. There is a lot of cleanup to do. Views, environment, resource, and then I have this what time that's I'm just gonna use this one. It's consistent, and that should be it. Let me get this in. Updates. Environment, build view, what is it that we call it? House to and no, this one. We don't want to pull, we want to have scene driven instead. Pulling logs. Should probably also change these to just be sent back from the backend, because right now this is just driven by signals, which also means that the logs that gets pulled here is pulled when we're on this one, which we don't really want necessarily. Uh, 8244 on staging. Are we on 8244? We are, and we are done. Nice. So this works still. Yeah. I should be working on the proxy, but I kind of want to clean this one up as well. Yeah, let's do that. And so in views, environment. It's not. I guess it's an application, right? And you have show. Yeah. And then releases. Yes, we just grab what we have in. We need to go in the right one. So releases. And I just wanna do this. Yes. Grab both of these and jump in here. And oops, releases. There's a lot of updates I need to make here. Both to Enduro, but also to how I do the views. And get rid of this. And go back to deploy. Looks better. Somewhat better. Recent releases. Yeah, so this one spans 3, that's fine. This feels like too much padding. And then maybe just 2. It's 4 down there, right? And we have I do have Right. And then the version, no. Trigger type. Do enemy dot. Still slug. So I'm assuming this is because this is seed data. No. And app home, it had this little nice this thing right here. So I want to instead do trigger type and then name and finally yeah. And I don't want, I want completed ads. Where is release? It's right there. Yeah, let's just do completed ads, which looks nice. And let me just grab the first 10. Can this fail? Yeah. I should also do this on the controller instead. So that is fine. Right. Do I want, I need to determine this from, need to determine this from, could do this really dirty by doing something like bytes, and then do something like for release in range releases. If release dots perhaps that's stating ID release status. I need to make this an enum, but completed. This is a little bit very dirty coding day. Data text. Good. This one has right. Do I want? Might be nice to show domains, maybe. So grab this and do yeah, and then I need the domain. Maybe instead of domain, let's do deployed version. That is probably nicer. Deployed version, and then we do deployed version equals release dot version. dogs. Let's grab the sorting. And it is a just do releases equal prop stocks. Really? Ay, come on. And do releases. Right. So we grab the flex. And we replace it this as staging. As production and staging deployed version. Yeah, I guess we don't need to do this again. And this one now becomes production deployed version. Right, and guess this one switches place. And I think this is just seed data that's bad. What more do I need do I want to do? Deployed version. Let's just do none, and let's also do none up here. And do we have? We do not. And maybe this is fine. We just do staging domain and production domain string 3. And nice for an overview. Domain and oops, staging domain. And in the we don't need the flex value, right? No. Same for up here. And I guess we want capx gap to be, I don't know, fucking 10. Yes. And then where do I actually pass this in the controller? Of course. Air staging domain string production domain. And domains it's domains let's just grab the first one, domains. Right, and then total update environment domains. Set domain to, I don't know, deploycrate.com. All right. So what am I doing? So it does have a... Yes. Probably helps, right? Nice, and I can get rid of this. And then in views. Make this into an href with what did I fuck up now? All right, this is how it's gonna be. Clean up. Please show view. Clean up application show view. Looks fine. All right. I think that is going to be it for me for today. Yeah. I need to work on the proxy so I can hopefully create new applications faster. Let me just see if this one goes through. And if it does, I'm gonna crawl it and then be back on Monday. It's also Friday afternoon here. I kind of also want to clean up a bit the releases. This I want to have it like I have it here, so you can click a release and then see the things that might be that might be the next task instead of the proxy. Are we on the? We are. And look at this. I should probably shorten this a little bit. And yeah, it doesn't look great. Controllers, applications, and show. If len releases again, we are continuing in the lazy path. Time. Time point with seconds. Where is it? This no. Fuck off. This one. View. Views. And this one right here was what is it? Truncate. Yeah, and just to mimic, if I do deployed, to what's 0, 0. Also, why is the first so? And this one then spans six and 7. Make the gap a little bit smaller, maybe. Do I even want? I just do flex think it's easier to align it and do class lex1 on this one. No. And justify this. Yeah. And if I just add a bunch of text, does it truncate? Okay, that is a future modern problem. This is all good. Minor touches, minor UI touches. Get that one out and need to start the server. Oh, do we have any releases? We do. All right. Environments. What is it that we default to? Okay. I guess releases. Good. And there we go. So I want to grab an overview. We have the metrics stuff. Overview. Where are the environments? No, server instances. Grab all of this and chuck it in here. And All right. And then guess I actually want to have this instead. Get rid of this. And let's just grab this. I guess I actually want 6 and gap 4. Let's make this one have 2 instead. Yeah. And no releases yet. Two row dots number. Rid of this. Yep. And row dot status. Row dot release dot status. And I want this. It's not really pretty, but no, I can't remember how I do it fraction. Right, do it to and my blinder is there. I think there's Mm-hmm.
Ask about love. They quote me a sonnet. But you can't tell me what it feels like to wake up next to a woman and feel truly happy. Knowing someone that could level you with her eyes.
Yeah, this is gonna take longer than I expected. So